I'm going to be doing some things, and revolving around AI is the gist of this. I'm going to do like just kind of a laid back approach to this one, just to get uh, kind of going with like the things that I have going on over here. But I got like some music that I was going to play, and then I was going to just kind of go over some of the things was doing and thinking. So thanks for joining, anybody that is, and appreciate you. And yeah, I'll try to get the music so that it is not overwhelmingly loud. And yeah. So if we do, so I've been messing with these three songs right here. I have the overlay in the back kind of taking over because I don't know. I'm gonna do a lot of coding and stuff, and it's like pointless to have kind of code up. I think because like you want to read the rule of the Firebase setup, not really. So I figure this is all fun, more fun. Um, but what I'm trying to do with this is like I got the uh, trying to make this into a video, and I'm just put it in YouTube. See what that does. So I'm using CapCut, but I'm using it over here. So I found the spot that I need to cut it, but I want to cut everything, delete everything to the left. So I want this whole thing, and then I'm gonna go and chop the end off. Thanks for popping in and joining. I'm just with what I got going on in the back here. I'm gonna be doing like code and stuff in the background, and I doubt people want to just like see that. So I am trying to take this one song and I'm trying to put it, cut it on my end here, which I think I found the end right there. No. This is what I'm doing tonight. I'm just kind of going over some of the things that I might have, kind of touched on this year, I guess, and be thankful for all the good things that have happened, I guess, and yeah, maybe touch on some AI things that are interesting. Let's see if I want to see if the song ends. Anyone that is curious about what I'm up to, I am up to building apps. It's almost like that the whole thing ends. That's stupid. All Well, maybe I'll have better luck with the next one. Import this one. There we are. Okay. Thanks for checking this out too. You have anything? I'm gonna post the stream too if anyone wants to join and shoot the stuff. That just sounds not great. The just I don't know, chit chat or whatever. I'll put that on X somewhere underneath the thing here. And I'm just messing around with the songs I got, and then maybe some games. I don't know. We jailbreak up with counterprompts that override the game. Halftime hearts inside on works. The shell jungle rush. Binary blossoms bloom whenever systems crash. So pin a pin. I wish that showed up differently, but we'll see. So I think that's where I'm going with this right now. I'm just trying to cut the stream, and then I'm gonna see what I could do to get the song once it's done. I want to put it on YouTube, so I want to see if I can get like all the meta tags and all that stuff. So that's a different song. Halftime hearts. Okay, take that, and we're going to delete everything to the right. All right. So now we have it, right? And I'm going to have something to look at it. How am I want to do that? I'm going to, I'll take it, and I will say export to here. You guys can't see what I'm doing, but I'll take it off my X screen. But what I'm doing is I just got a song here that I'm just trying to put on YouTube. I'll see if I can switch my screen over to this other one. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go videos. Let's say Thought the song came out pretty. Okay, put it on the TikToky. No. Yes. Dang it. Make a lot of Suno songs about current events in the AI industry. So gripping and nice on the ears. Okay, so now that I have that song, I want to do this. So I'll share my screen on this side, see if that helps. Okay. That's not gonna work. I'll do it right from here. So this is like my main screen. Take it off that. But so that's my main screen. So let's see if we gotta get it up to there. And then what I'm doing is I'm sending it off via CapCut uh, off to the world there. Um, so yeah, I don't know. This year has been pretty good. I have a ton of apps that I want to see where I can get them to go. Um, cool thing about the apps are they're there. Like I never anticipated like the big launches. Like I guess you see online. I I mean, I don't know. It's kind of hard to do that. So I am of the mindset, the realistic one, where I have to, you know, fish for people to use my apps and things. Um, they're really in beta testing, so anyone that wants to join in on the fun of Joe Pro and his antics of AI building, you can definitely try out the apps. I will give you passcodes or make them free so that you can do the things. But yeah, right now I'm just going to get this to go and then I will have that there. So I want this over here so I can see screen of what I'm doing. And then we got, so we close that, we don't need that. And then we got the scene now. That exported there. And what I want is in videos, this one. So what I want to do is I want to take this and I'm going to take windsurf. So this is one of the things I do with windsurf. I use it as a all around, like I want to do this with my computer, make it happen kind of agent or IDE that uses an agent to kind of do the things. So I'm gonna have this one over on the left do with the video. So he encodes it with the metadata that is needed so that I can put it on YouTube and YouTube will like take it all and I don't have to fill it all out. I'm hoping that there's of that. And then I'm going to be doing some like 5-6 things going. And I'm like, I don't know. It's my Tuesdays are kind of like, I got to maybe like be a little early on the night. But, got in office tomorrow. So fun. Okay. So is this going yet? And uh, um, I'm going to try to make it so that I could get like the data from the song, which the song is. So I've been using this foobar or what is it? Geez, been using this. It's been pretty great. Pause. It's just the first one of probably a couple hundred that I have in here that I enjoy. But my Suno got filled with like not junk, just stuff, and it got song after song. So I was like trying to pick songs out, and it was becoming a mess. So I'm just got like a whole lot of songs now that I'm going through. Um, I want to know where this is. So, oh, tell me that doesn't have anything. All right, I am uploading a. Hey, I am uploading a video to the YouTube. Want all the meta. I should be able to just do this, and hopefully it'll tell me it could do something. Usually AI is pretty uh, positive thinking, positive leaning. It's always like I'll figure it out. We're going to do something, and it tries. Sometimes it doesn't do everything great, but um, we'll see if we can get this working. Copy this path, video, and then we let Cloud Opus figure that out. And then I'll get these going over here. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. What did it say there? Sorry about this. I got so many screens that I jumping back and forth is what I'm doing. But let's see what this got going on. Nice. Hey, look at all that stuff I found. It's like, hey, you get data, you get all this stuff. Nope. Uh, there we go. And we'll do this. Okay. Next to your video file. To copy and paste. Oh, that's lame. I was hoping I could like pull in the thing. So I got to do this all by hand. There's got to be a way. Probably API calls or something. see. Is there a programmatic way of uploading all this crap to YouTube? Okay, so I need the YouTube Data v3 API. Oh, go back to sharing the other screen for now. We gotta, what have we got going on? Share to over to you. I just got some projects over here. Hopefully not too crazy there. And then yes, I want to do this. And you can't see me. So maybe. There we are. So right now, what I'm doing is you can go into the Google console and you can enable the YouTube API for your projects. And then, yeah, I'm going to put that API key into something, Python script, and it's going to hopefully shoot that into my YouTube because I don't want to do all of the. Plus, I got to get used to the YouTube API. I want to do some things with YouTube. I want to get like built in an app. I'll show in a second. It's like goes through history of YouTube because there's a lot of consumption that gets done, and I want to be able to monitor that better. Okay, YouTube, man. Probably super expensive. So what you're looking at here is surf sessions. I just got them going to different apps that I got. This one's going to be for the web overall. I'm kind of changing things around, and I'm having some things added to neural salvage, which I don't know if it's a good idea or not, but that's what it seems like a good idea to try to get some income, because I got a couple apps out there that are pretty useful, I think, for anyone in the communities that are doing like AI art or doing things that they want to keep safe and also make money off of. So I got some things that I built, and I want to try to make it so that people can easily get to it. Um, and the concept of like make it easy for them to pay me money. I try not to like charge that much, but I think that that is also killing me too, because when it's so cheap, sometimes people don't care to get it. That makes sense. So I'm just learning all that stuff. Who knows? This is all, uh, just an exhaustive hobby and a exhaustive passion, I guess, into AI that I have. Um, and I got some education in the background, but that's lame to talk about. So, um, you know, I basically vibe coding my ass to the next $1 million. Is the method of madness. No, I love building these things. Mm. All right, so we're gonna enable it for you. Okay. Nice little key here. Okay. Have that. do is I'm gonna create credentials. Name is okay. And I'll try not to make this stream too long. I was just gonna do some different things and kind of poke around on here, and I ended up kind of going on a tangent over here with YouTube. But as soon as I get that squared, I'm gonna kind of jump back over to this other screen that focus on. Okay. Thanks for watching, by the way. It is appreciated for sure. And yep, so I hope everyone is having a good holiday. I am planning to spend it with my family, and I'm looking forward to it. Okay. Oh, no, I want to. Oh, inactive. That is cut. Add secret. I don't want to add any secrets. let me download this stupid thing. Hopefully this is all I need. Give you this ID. Cool. Hopefully that gives me something over there. So what we got going over here for now, and I'll put on maybe some music here in a minute. But I got a couple of things. I'm trying to get a few things deployed. In the deployments, I'm getting an error where I have an app for video screening, fun and useful. I have Neural Salvage, which I have is a service that is for storage of your different media, and you can store it for 200 plus years. So that's fun. And you can mint it. It's basically minted on the blockchain, on one Arweave, and on the Ethereum network, so that it can go onto the OpenSea, which is then it's all like classified. So like it makes for the actual piece to be a little bit more uh, documented, so that it's like this is the image that was made, and that was the date that it was made, and all that stuff, all minted for 200 years. So I thought it was a good idea to make, and I hope it gets use. So we have that. We'll go over that site, and then I think I'll call it, because I am getting, I think, a little bit distracted with other things. But yeah, so we got Neural Salvage, which is you go in here and you can have your own gallery, where you can store all of your these are all the things, and then you could take any of these, and that's not the best one, but we could take like all of these, and you can mint it on Arweave, which will store it for 200 years. Generate the tags, which generates all this information here. You can add it to a collection, but then once it's minted onto Arweave, it will can be also minted onto Polygon, and then is then put into your NFTs, which I will not share my little password thing here, but well, you connect a wallet. I'll connect my, which wallet do I want? Well, I guess we'll have to do this other while I fix that. But then we should have the wallet connected, and then like these are minted on Arweave for like this is a piece. This is on this URL for 200 years. Then we got it can go out to on Polygon and out on OpenSea, which you can then sell it. You got to do your own marketing at that point to get it out, but it then is tagged and everything is there, so that you can it puts a value on it. whether somebody thinks this is $60 worth of this, that is on them, but I could at least say that this image I created and it was all tagged and minted and put on the Arweave for 200 years. And if anyone tries to use the image, I guess otherwise, I can prove it this wise. So that's that. So I'm gonna jump off. I'm getting a little hungry, and I hope that everyone has a good Christmas and Happy New Year. Be safe, and I appreciate you all for coming and checking out my little ranting and doing not so much, but I appreciate you nonetheless. So have a good